Hey, what's up, NKN coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers. To this time, NKN price is increasing 4.76%. The NKN price increasing, and I have two good news for all of you. The first good news is absolutely I'm going to explain, but the second good news is very important, my friend. And the second news is on 5th November, my friend. So please, I'm going to explain this all, but kindly subscribe this channel if you are new my channel. Suddenly, please urgently click the subscribe button, and my friend, just hit now 16,000 subscriber. My friend, thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. Here, as you can see, my friend, the price 0.393 USD dollar of NKN. Definitely the price is increasing. You can see 4.78%. If they will get a profit 4.78% in last 24 hours in those days especially, so that's clear to this coin is completely go to the moon in upcoming days, because my brother, at this time especially all currencies were very badly dumped down. Short time investors starting selling, so therefore all currencies were very badly fails down. But NKN is moving upwards, so I think it's really good news for all of you, my friend. Here, if we see the market cap, so the market cap is also increasing now 2 billion, my friend. You can say 44.78%, my friend. The market cap is increasing, so I think that is really great news. Fully diluted market cap, as you can see, my friend, 40.4.70 or 24%, they will increase now, and 3 billion, my friend. So if we check out the volume, so volume 8.33%, but don't worry, I hope that the volume is also increasing. My friends, on 5th November, the very huge explosion is coming soon. Let me explain, my friends, to what is this huge explosion, my friend. Yes, my brother, experts predicate this coin, and I research personally very high for you, my friend. And I completely found this, my friends, to in upcoming time the price is very fastly increasing, because in the 1st November the price was slowly moving upward, but suddenly they were starting moving upward after the 5th November, because my friend, in the first week every coin will slowly moving upward, but after that they will suddenly starting moving upward and completely go to the moon. So our prediction is completely says that, my friends, to upcoming time the NKN price will more and more increasing. So I think we will never miss this chance, my friends, to get a very huge profit. We will need, my friends, to starting buying before, my friends, the 5th November. I am 100% true, if we starting buying before 5th November, they will make us millionaire. So at the end of month, absolutely every coin will moving very fastly moving upward. So therefore, especially we will need to buy it in the start of month, because the price is very cheap and we will easily buy it. So thanks for watching, NKN holders. Kindly like this video, please like this video, and do one best comment, share your opinion in the comment box to sell, hold or buy. And please, if you are new my channel, so subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, and see you next time.